Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today I'm going to be preparing potato and cheese pie with a few twists. Let's get to it. I'm going to be starting off with some onion. I already got the pan hot with the butter. I'm going to add some garlic. Some cooked, chopped chicken. I'm going to add some peas. Okay, I've got a prepared baking dish. It's been prepared with butter. I'm going to be layering parboiled potatoes, the chicken and pea mixture, and cheese alternately. Starting off with some potatoes. And some of the chicken and pea mixture. I have an egg and whole milk mixture. And this will go in the oven for 25 minutes, covered. It's been 25 minutes. I just pulled it out of the oven. Let's take a look. Looks yummy. I'm just going to kind of give it a quick stir. I'm going to give it one last coat of cheddar cheese. And back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes since the potato and cheese pie has been in the oven uncovered. Let's take a look. Everything looks great. The cheese has melted beautifully. On to the next step. Here's the final presentation of potato and cheese pie with a few twists. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe. Have fun cooking.